All right, so as I was saying, I did get a chance yesterday to look at why the symbols are what they are for some of the elements, that they don't seem to match up their names, right? Pick one, anyone.
Gold.
Gold.
Iron.
Gold
Iron.
is from Aurum. Pick another one, anyone.
Gold.
Iron.
Potassium,
I'm thinking silver.
I believe, is spelled with, I believe it's two L's. Since you never have to write these out, I wouldn't worry about it.
Iron.
Iron. Keep going.
Silver.
Silver's interesting. I'll bet you can come up with which country many or most silver mines are from.
Argentina.
Tis it. Next,
Tungsten.
tungsten. Whoops. Next,
Sodium.
who?
Sodium.
Next,
Antimony.
who?
Antimony.
Antimony.
Yeah.
Next,
Tin. Mercury.
How'd you come up with that one?
next. Lead, everyone's favorite. Everyone's favorite. Are there any more? There may not be any more. I'm trying to think. I know of at least one more. Okay, I'll do it.
Is on the list. Oh, copper.
I believe that's about it, isn't it? That you guys have to worry about? That actually might be it forever. Okay, anyway, the only reason I'm doing that is to give you guys something to possibly stick in your brain to help you remember these things. You don't have to remember these, but I'm just showing you. Okay, that was
Like
fun.
the actual element name.
Yes.
In Latin, except for tungsten, which I believe comes from German.
Next, if you don't have your notes out, please take it out of your notes.
Read them. Can I see? Okay. She
That's
just.
about
Wait, I got it. You do it in order?
I think this one is
It's the. This one.
yeah,
You see.
PB.
That's Plumbum.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Your book probably titles it something differently.
Thanks.
In fact, I'm sure it does, but this is what we're going to get out of it. Does anyone vaguely remember